imagine I want to check my solution to a two-step equation. So I've done some algebra, I've come up with this answer here. I'm going to go back to the original, and I'm going to replace the variable with parentheses. So this answer is going to go in here in place of the x. I'm going to put the 20. And what I'm doing is evaluating these two sides of the equation. I'm going to suspend my understanding and imagine that I don't know if this is correct or not. And that's kind of tricky sometimes. So you're trying to decide, does this really equal 6? Well, let's see here. 20 divided by 4 is 5. And sure enough, 5 plus 1 does equal the same thing that the right-hand side equals. So we can say, yes, our answer is correct. And don't be confused. You're checking if 20 is the solution. So you can say, yes, you could say something like, yes, x equals 20. This is your solution. This is your check. So you do want to be careful that you don't mix up your check with your solution.